हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज हम देखने वाले हैं आर्या यूनिवर्सिटी एलएलएम एंट्रेंस के पेपर को। और इस पेपर के रिगार्डिंग बहुत कंफ्यूजन रहता है और ये पेपर कहीं पर भी अवेलेबल नहीं है, इसलिए स्टूडेंट और कंफ्यूज होते हैं। सो इन अ ब्रीफ मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी, ये आर्या यूनिवर्सिटी जो है वो एलएलएम मास्टर्स एलएलएम जो है वो करवाते हैं और इनका एक स्पेशलाइजेशन है अभी सिर्फ, वो है बिजनेस लॉ। इससे पहले इन पे इसके पास इस यूनिवर्सिटी के अंडर बहुत सारे स्पेशलाइजेशन थे, मुस्लिम लॉ एंड ऑल, बट एज ऑफ नाउ अभी सिर्फ बिजनेस लॉ पे स्पेशलाइजेशन है। और ये 100 मार्क्स का पेपर होता है 2 आवर्स के ड्यूरेशंस में, और इसमें नेगेटिव मार्किंग भी है। सो नेगेटिव मार्किंग जो है वो लास्ट 2023 ईयर्स में ऐड हुआ है और ये आगे भी आई थिंक कंटिन्यू होगा इन योर 2024 एग्जाम ऑल्सो। सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप देख सकते हो, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंपोनेंट इज मोस्ट हार्मफुल टू द ओजोन लेयर, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन। और इसका सही आंसर है CFCs। सो आई विल जस्ट make sure that this type of questions has been asked in your exam, so that you can have an idea what type of questions you can expect in your exam, right? So the first question you can see, CFC is the answer. Next one is from your Muslim law. So mahar as debt has priority over, so you can say both A and B here, over here claims and other creditor as well. So who can be appointed as the chairperson of NHRC? So you can see the answer, either the Chief Justice and the former judge of the Supreme Court of India. And when was the Central Pollution Control Board of India established? That is 1974. Which of the following is not included in the right to personal liberty? So right to equality of wages. When was the NHRC of India constituted? That is 1993. Which convention led to the adoption of measures for protection of ozone layer? So बीना कन्वेंशन। सो क्योंकि टाइम बहुत कम है, इसीलिए हम जस्ट क्वेश्चंस को पढ़ेंगे एंड उसके आंसर्स को देखेंगे। और आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप इसे स्टॉप करके एनालाइज करके खुद भी आंसर देने की कोशिश कर सकते हो, एंड यू कैन मैच माय आंसर एज वेल। हो सकता है कि कहीं गलती हुई होगी, सो यू कैन मार्क द राइट आंसर। ओके, इन अ गिविंग in giving a child up for adoption by the Hindu father, the requirement of the consent of the mother can be dispensed with if. So, all of the three conditions are correct. So, all of the above is the correct answer. So, a Muslim is prohibited from marrying his wife's sisters. So, when he is prohibited, so during the subsistence of his marriage with his wife. So, this is a common general knowledge type of questions, or you can say it's a IQ based question. Malice in law and malice in practice are distinct from each other. And the next question is from your constitutional law. Which Constitution Amendment Act introduced the EWS reservation in educational institution? So it's 103rd Amendment. If a Muslim woman marries a second husband while her first husband is alive, such a marriage shall be irregular. Then the pigeonhole theory is propounded by, so that is Salmon. Next question, there is no reason to compel non-smokers to be helpless victim of air pollution. So that was held in the case of Mulli S. Diorora versus Union of India. Law of tort generally develops through. So we know that law of tort is not a codified law, so it's developed through judicial precedent. Next, there can be no action for defamation in cases of absolute privileges. So it's a conceptual question. And preamble is not a part of the constitution was held in which case? So that is Berubari case. And in case of adoption of a son by a Hindu male, the son should be, so what should be the age of the son? So that is less than 15 years of age. Option of puberty is available to, so that is available only to wife. And A supplies B lunatic but necessary suitable to his condition in life. So A is entitled to be reimbursed from this property. Okay. So when counter offer is given, the original offer. So what is the status of the original offer when the counter offer is given? So the answer is the original offer shall be lapses. Next, A agrees to buy certain horse from B. It turns out that the horse was dead at the time of the bargain. So, although neither party was aware of the fact, so here neither party takes any fault or anything else. So the agreement is void. Which of the following is or are correct? So here you can see the sequence: proposal, acceptance, promise, promise, consideration, agreement, agreement, enforceability, contract. So all of the above are correct. Next question from a particular illustrations of your law of contract. Here you can see the contract is not voidable on account of A's misrepresentations. Here you can read the question and you can mark the answer as well. A contract of guarantee is defined in the So here you can see the section based question. 126, contract of guarantee is defined. Then according to the provision of Indian Partnership Act, on attaining majority within how many months. So here is a time period of after how many months, or within how many months, not after, within how many months a minor may give a public notice of his decisions to continue or withdraw from the firm. So that is 6 months. Which of the following contract for agency is irrevocable? So agency coupled with an interest, that is a conceptual question. According to Austrian theory of sovereignty is, so sovereign power is legally unlimited. Who among the following is a proponent of interest theory of legal right? So Eyring is the proponent of legal interest theory of legal right. So that is from the jurisprudence part, and the legibus is written by Cicero. So here you can see the jurisprudence questions, right? Whose legal philosophy was called utilitarian individualism? So it's a very easy question, Bentham. And constructive position is, so again a conceptual based question, position in law, whether actual or not. Who said that an obligation exists by virtue of a rule? So Hart is always concerned with rule and morals and regulations and all. So Gurudhanam merely imparts to the constitution validity. Next question. Who defined jurisprudence as the formal science of positive law? That is Holland. The doctrine of indoor management is dash. So it's an exception to the doctrine of constructive notice. And the next question. According to the provision of Companies Act 2013, in case of shares, the maximum undertaking commission shall will be, so it's 5%. Again, a conceptual question. And next question, part of the unauthorized capital which is offered by the company for subscription is insured share capital. So here you can see the question came from the company law. Okay. Again, the time gap between two annual general meeting for a company shall not exceed 15 months. Okay. Which section? Again, a section based question from your company law. So, which section deals with appointment of auditors? That is 139. Again, one of the most important concept, corporate social responsibility has of companies been dealt with in dash of Companies Act 2013. So it's dealt under section 135 of the Companies Act. Definition of company is contained in which section? So it's section 2 subclause 20, not subclause, it's section 2 clause 20. Next, any director may be removed by, so by which resolution? You can say the ordinary resolution is the correct answer. So which one? Next question, which under which one of the following section of the IPC the word offense has been defined? So it's very easy, section 40. For your 2022 examination, you are supposed to be asked from the recent laws like BNS and all. So you have to check out that as well while going to exam. Right. The absolute ground for refusal of registration trademark is contained in which section? Again, section based question from your Trademark Act. So it's dealt under section 9. Again, next question. When a negotiable instrument is dishonored, the party is liable to pay, becomes bound to pay compensations to holder or endorsee. NI Act question. Next, in which of the following cases clear difference between common intention, similar intention was well discussed? So it's a landmark, or you can say a very important judgment, that is Mehboob Shah versus King Emperor. The prohibition. Next question, prohibition of registration of under the GI Act 1999 contains as many as. So here you're supposed to remember the grounds. How many grounds are there? So there are 7 grounds. Who makes rules and regulations for scheduled commercial banks in India? It's easy, RBI. Which sections of IPC deals with solitary confinement? So 73 of IPC, section-based question. They have asked so many section-based questions. You have to remember the section. Which of the following section of the Patent Act 1970 provide for the subject matter that are not invention under the act? So section 3 deals with this kind of a stuff like which are not invention under the Patent Act. Right. Next question, every offense punishable under 147 of the NI Act and 1881 is punishable. It's punishable or it's compoundable. The question is like it's compoundable. Okay. Next question, the distinctive feature of writing are an activity which is accompanied by. So it's accompanied by use of force and violence. It's a conceptual question. If you can remember the content of the section, you can answer it rightly. Bayer Corporations versus Union of India case deals with which subject matter. So it's mainly deal with the working of patenting process. Next question, as per the provision of which act, all financial institutions have to maintain a record for all the forms of transaction, that is PMLA Act. Okay. Next, and okay, an officer of a court of justice being ordered by that court to arrest Y, and after due inquiry being believing Z to be Y arrested, Z A has committed no offense. So it's a section based question. You can remember. Cybersecurity defined under which section of IT Act? So it's section 2, clause NB. Nationalization of 14 major commercial banks in India happened in the year. So it's 1969. And to constitute the offense of AFRI under which section, under the section 159 of IPC, there must be two or more persons. So how many persons are involved in AFRI? This is the question. So two or more person is the right answer. Next, section 3, clause 1 of the Trademark Act 1999 deals with the provisions relating to. So, this particular section deals with the appointment of registrar of trademark. Next question, which of the following is the clearing agency for government agency? So, CCIL is the answer. You can answer through the elimination method as well. Government of India is not the clearing agency. You can just apply your mind and give the right answer through elimination method as well. Um, okay. In which of the following cases did the Supreme Court of India strike down Section 303 of IBC as unconstitutional? So it's also a landmark judgment. Mithu Kaur versus State of Punjab is the right answer. Super Cassettes Industries Limited versus MySpace 2011 is a leading case on the Copyright Act 1957. Deal with which section? So it's section 51. It's related to your infringement part. Okay, which of the following was or were established under the recovery of debt due to bank and financial institutions 1993? So both A and B is the right answer. So you can see there are so many questions from the corporate law, you can say company law, NI Act, you have RBI Act, banking laws. So there are so many questions from the corporate part, you can say. Next question, A police officer tortures B to induce him to point out where certain stolen property is deposited. So here A is guilty of an offense under 331 of IPC. Next section, next question, section 9 of the GI Act or provides for. So it provides for the prohibition of registration of certain GI, geographical indications. 67, which act allows bank and other financial institutions to auction residential and commercial properties to recover loan, that is SARFAESI Act 2002. In which case of malicious prosecution, the plaintiff may claim damages for. So in all these three conditions, the plaintiff can claim damages. Okay. Next question, the maximum interval between two sessions of each House of Parliament is 6 months. Next question, which of the following maxim can be attributed to a situation where damages are done without infringing any legal right? So that is damnum sine injuria. How many times Article 360 of the Constitution of India been revoked? So it's never happened. Next, Muslim wife is entitled to maintenance during. So we know that during your iddat period and during your divorce and during your death, they have to be maintained. But through the recent judgment, you can say after your iddat period and after your divorce, iddat of divorce and iddat of there are not valid because they are supposed to be maintained after that also through a recent judgment. Okay. Under Section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, the number of grounds for divorce common to both husband and wife are, so then they are asked you the number of grounds. So that is 11 is the right answer. The term environmental pollutant as defined under Section 2B of the Environment Protection Act 1986 includes. So what it includes? So all of the above three are correct. You can stop the video and read this properly. Okay. So, which article of the UDHR declares that no one shall be subject to arbitrary arrest, detention, or exile? That is Article 19. So here you have to remember the 30 articles of the UDHR. They can ask you from anywhere. And this is the Magna Carta of the human right. Okay, so you are supposed to be remember these things. What kind of damages are awarded when technically a legal wrong is committed, but the circumstances make the court feel that no action should have been brought? So that is exemplary damages. The UDHR of human right is a so it's a declaration adopted by civil nations at an international conference, right? Next question, remedial right under 32 of the Constitution is available to. So it's available to all person, irrespective of your citizens or your artificial or natural persons. Okay. Nervous shock applies to. So it applies to the shock to the nerve and brain structure of the body. So this is the right option. And the next question is, which of the following writs can be issued only against the judicial or quasi-judicial authority? So that is certiorari and prohibition as well. But here prohibition is not mentioned. So we will go for certiorari as the right option. Next part you have for 20 marks we have Islamic history and culture, general English, and general knowledge. So what type of questions are asked in this? So you can see Abani Bariacho is written by famous writer Shakti Chattopadhyay. So you can see the general question, general knowledge questions, which among the following organization, regulatory authority, fine arts. So you can see Kala Academy, and the next question, who was the first Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court? So that is Bernice Peacock. Next, West Bengal has the longest interstate boundary with which of the following states? That is Jharkhand. And who is called the first female teacher of India? That is Savitra Bai Phule. And Ottoman Empire was found by Turks. And Alame Berserk refers to, this is Islamic history. You can say this is the Islamic knowledge questions. Okay. Alame Berzik refers to the period between the death and the birth of an individual. And then Salatun Istikhara is offered to seek guidance in crucial situation. This is also from the Islamic knowledge question. And Tahajjud prayer is offered during dash and it is dash. So it is offered during night and it is voluntary. Okay. Abyssinia is the old name of Ethiopia. Okay, so this is the general question, GK based question, you can say. And Mesopotamia is the old name of Iraq. The new name of Constantinople is, that is Istanbul. Present name of Persia, that is Iran. You can see the type of questions that you can expect. Al Andalus refers to Spain. Oldest masjid on earth is, that is Masjid Cuba. Okay. And although I didn't ask, so this is the this is your English part, you can see. Okay, group of star is known as, and the select idioms. Okay, select the nearest meaning words. Okay, find the opposite words. Meaning of the idiom break the ice is, so to speak first after the long time. So these are the type of question that you can expect in your ARIA university exam. So all the best guys who are giving this particular exam, and thank you for watching my video. Do like and subscribe.